5 of the most beautiful places you might want to explore in Africa. 1. Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe. One of the largest and most spectacular waterfalls in the world, its thundering cascades and mist create a magical atmosphere. 2. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. Known for its breathtaking savannas, diverse wildlife, and the Great Migration, this park offers some of the most iconic safari experiences. 3. Cape Town, South Africa. With Table Mountain as a backdrop, Cape Town boasts stunning coastal views, beautiful beaches, and a vibrant culture. 4. Sahara Desert. The vast expanse of golden dunes, unique rock formations, and stunning sunsets create an awe-inspiring landscape that feels otherworldly. 5. Blyde River Canyon, South Africa. One of the largest canyons in the world, it features lush greenery, dramatic cliffs, and breathtaking viewpoints like God's Window. Each of these locations showcases Africa's incredible natural beauty and rich diversity. What do you think? Do you have your favorite place to share with me? If yes, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share City Plus Living. Thank you.